In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A37 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll to click on this section here called Sounds and Vibration. Then you can tap on one of those sections. Vibrate if you want to mute your vibration completely, mute to block sound and vibration, and thanks to it you can enable or disable temporary mute feature thanks to this switcher here, and even set up a timer, after which it will unmute and switch to vibrate. You can tap on sound and use this switcher next to vibrate when ringing to enable or disable incoming calls haptic feedback. When you finished with this section, scroll to tap on those. Call vibration and notification vibration. In both of them, you will find those patterns. Slider, thanks to which you can adjust haptics intensity. And silent option. So adjust vibrations for your incoming calls and incoming notifications however you wish, and when you're done, tap on System Vibration. Here you can adjust intensity of system vibrations thanks to this slider, but you can also tap on those switches next to all of those features to enable or disable vibrations for them. Touch interactions, dialing keypad, Samsung keyboard, charging, navigation gestures, and camera feedback. When you're done, go back and last but not least, hit vibration intensity, where you can operate all of those intensity sliders for all of those options: call, notifications, system, and media. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!